quick, guys, I want to bring you a very short update here on SPEL token. SPEL token is actually up around 11% right now in the past 24 hours, so we're going to just zoom in real quick and take a look at the short-term time frames. So once we drop SPEL token down here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that basically all that's happened here so far is we have ran up here to test previous support. You can see back here that that support is going from all the way back here in February and March, where we had support before we bounced nicely. Now, what's happening though is the fact is we are actually retesting that previous support for resistance, and it's also testing the EMA ribbon here on the 4-hour. And once we zoom in, it looks like we are actually getting rejected slightly here. Now, if we do continue to get rejected here by this previous support without getting above it, then most likely I would expect possibly a lower low here in the short term. And once I throw in the support and resistance levels here, it does look like SPEL token is actually forming a nice little ascending wedge pattern here on the 4-hour time frame. So we might actually have a measured move price target here to determine where we might go if we break to the upside and where we might go if we break to the downside. So basically, we're just going to go ahead and throw that in there, guys. As always, this is not financial or investment advice. You need to invest, trade, hodl at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. Now, with that being said, I do have experience with this. You guys know if you've been watching the channel. So some targets hit perfectly, and it does depend on market conditions. A lot does depend on market conditions. Now, let's just take a look quickly at the downside. So the downside target of this, if we were to break out anywhere near this general area, that downside target is going to put you in at about 0.3.8250. Now let's take a look where this would go if we happen to get a break to the upside. It looks like this would get us nicely up in here to test the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour time frame, and it does look like it would actually get us all the way up here to about 0.002. Okay, so that would be a perfect test of the top of the EMA ribbon. It would get us up here inside of the ribbon and possibly trigger a little reversal here in the short term for SPEL token. So the price levels to watch for this breakout as SPEL token decides to consolidate here into the tip of this pattern, the price targets I would be looking for would be the breakout target would be around 0.0015 to the upside to get above that resistance, and the breakdown target to the downside would most likely be some of this previous support right here. So once you broke through about 0.0013 or so, that would definitely indicate more downside. There is also the possibility that SPEL token may still need to come all the way down to test some of this previous support here from this purple trend line, which is long-term support. It goes all the way back to pre-2022. It goes back to the last half of 2021, actually. And if we look here, you can see perfectly that if we were to drop down from where we're at currently, that would get us a nice little test of actually both the support and the previous resistance. Thanks so much for watching this quick update on SPEL token. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just a quick little technical analysis update for SPEL token. And guys, be calm here. Be calm here. We are very well being presented with a massive second chance opportunity here to get into some of these cryptocurrencies at extremely low prices, some prices that many of us thought we would never see again. So this, to me, should be taken as both a blessing and a curse in the crypto markets, in the crypto space, because, you know, although some people have really lost a lot of money, at least those that have sold, right? If you don't sell, then you haven't lost anything technically. All you've lost are unrealized profits. So don't sell, guys. Don't sell at such a massive loss. That's not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. That's what I would do, or what I wouldn't do. What I wouldn't do is sell when everything is down, 50, 80% from where you bought in. I would at least hold it long term. If you invested more than you're willing to lose, then that's something you should never do, and then that's probably why you're panicking right now. But guys, if you love crypto and you like making money in crypto, you are in the right place. We love crypto here. We're crypto obsessed. We just passed 10K subscribers recently. Come on over and join the community. Check the links in the description for other ways you can support us and join the community as well. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon.